is open house day. Happy Sunday. Come on out here to 26 Trillium. I am showing this beautiful home, this one right here. It is open today from 12 to 2. I will be here. I want you to see this. It is absolutely stunning inside. I'm going to take you really quickly to see what it looks like, just giving you a peek of the neighborhood first. This is the house on the outside. We're going in. Now, you know I'm only going to give you a peek because I really do want you to come and see what this house has to offer. But this is what you see when you first walk in the front door. Your formal dining area is here. We've got some coiffured ceilings there, and of course, once we get over there, you'll see the two-story ceiling area there. But this is a formal sitting area. You can use it as a library or study or office, however you would choose when you make this house your own. But here we have this beautiful window, overlooks the deck and the backyard. And we have a beautiful brick hearth to this high fireplace. And of course, the ceiling is two-story. And you've got the catwalk right there. Don't you love it? I love it. I absolutely love it. I want you to come see this house. The address again is 26 Trillium in Acworth. I'll be here until 2. Here we have the kitchen. Right there, you've got a lovely wine rack. Very beautiful. Storage area. Hardwood floors go throughout, except for when you go upstairs to the bedrooms. And it does have a full basement. It is waiting for you to finish it the way you would like to. There, the staircase goes up to the bedrooms, and the terrace level goes there as well. Let's step out onto this deck. This beautiful backyard. Now, you do get to see what your neighbors are doing over there, but you might not be able to hear their conversation because it's a good distance away. But look at this beautiful backyard. Very lovely. Now, we can go on over. This is the owner's suite. It is on the main level, a very popular and preferred choice option to have the owner's suite on the main level, so that as you mature and become seasoned like me, you don't have to climb up the stairs to retire for the evening. So here is the spa-like bathroom, very beautiful window there. You've got a jetted tub and very nice shower there. And here is the closet. You can walk in and I don't know, maybe he and she can put their clothes in here, but not none of my friends. But this is a great, great choice of bathroom, spa-like retreat. Come on over here and see this house. Let's talk about real estate. Let's talk about what the market is doing right now. Let's just, see if we can get your home sold or talk about getting you one for yourself. I'll be here until 2 at 26 Trillium in Acworth.